How can I open Ally Bank account online? Are you tired of traditional banks and their hidden fees? Looking for a convenient and secure way to manage your finances? Well, Ally Bank might be the answer you're searching for. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple process of opening an Ally Bank account online. Ally Bank, an online-only bank, has gained popularity for its user-friendly interface, competitive interest rates, and no-fee checking accounts. It's a great option for those who prefer to manage their finances digitally. Let's dive right into the steps to open your Ally Bank account online. Step-by-step guide. Visit the Ally Bank website. Open your preferred web browser and go to Ally Bank's official website. The home page will greet you with a clean and intuitive design. Choose your account type. Ally Bank offers a variety of account types, including high-yield savings account, perfect for saving money with competitive interest rates. Online savings account, a basic savings account with flexible terms. Checking account, a fee-free checking account with a debit card. Money market account, a hybrid of savings and checking accounts with higher interest rates. Select the account type that best suits your financial needs. Start the application process. Click the Open an Account button or a similar prompt. You'll be directed to a secure application page. Provide personal information. Enter your personal details, including full name, social security number, date of birth, address, phone number, email address. Create your login credentials. Choose a strong password and a unique username for your Ally Bank account. Ensure your password is a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Answer security questions. You'll be asked a series of security questions to verify your identity. Choose questions that are easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. Provide financial information. You may need to provide information about your income, employment, and assets. This information is used to verify your identity and assess your financial situation. Review and submit. Carefully review all the information you've provided to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied, submit your application. Identity verification. Ally Bank may require additional verification steps, such as providing a government-issued ID, answering a phone call or text message, uploading documents. Fund your account. After your identity is verified, you can fund your account through electronic transfer from another bank account, check deposit, wire transfer. Strong password. Create a strong, unique password to protect your account. Two-factor authentication. Enable two-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. Regularly monitor your account. Keep an eye on your account activity and report any suspicious transactions. Customer support. Ally Bank offers excellent customer support through phone, email, and live chat. Mobile app. Download the Ally Bank mobile app for convenient access to your account on the go. Opening an Ally Bank account online is a straightforward process that can be completed in a matter of minutes. By following these steps and keeping in mind the additional tips, you can easily open an account and start enjoying the benefits of banking with Ally. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.